judge me for wearing the same shirt. But we're going paddleboarding. Paddleboarding today.
Have you fixed YouTube yet?
No. One of the best ways to fix it as well is to delete it and re-download it, but it's built into your phone, isn't it? I tried clearing the cache, but it didn't do anything. I don't know what to do.
I'm gonna do something. Because when I tried to go on it today, it just suddenly just did this, and then it put me off and said something here. Tried it again, didn't work.
Off to the beach, off to the beach, off to the beach, off to the beach.
This offer with a chance to win £7,000. Enter now at winplus.co.uk.
I just found a jellyfish, but I saved it because I was worried that if I went and got my phone, I'd drop my phone once I picked it up. But then also couldn't film whilst I was trying to pick it up. But it was, where is it? Oh, the water's probably, it was somewhere around here. Oh wait, here's a baby one. I want to try and save that one as well. But that one is, oh, it's kind of sketchy because it's got its stingers on the bottom side, so I'm a bit scared to do it with this one. The other one had gone onto its back. Also, this sand is really trippy because some of it is like, some of it's dark and some of it's light. And it's creating like really nice patterns. Oh my days, there's another one! Oh my gosh. That is so cool. But I've never been stung by one and I don't want today to be the first. My mum's all the way out there. I'm actually really nervous to get in. I've seen quite a few jellyfish. But look how cool that, like the way the sand just like carries like that. It's so pretty. If you're squeamish, don't look at this. But I've just found a little dead crab. I kind of want to put it like not back in the water. I don't know. Oh, is that one of its legs? Oh, the sea is beautiful, but like what the f? It's actually gross, isn't it? She's got a dead crab. Just like, yeah, baby. Just like a little bit deflated. Oh.
You've got to be really quick. Turn, clean, sock. I don't think we're going to get it in the green, but we'll have a damn good go.
Something here looks familiar. No. Why does that bit turn? Is that like...
That's what I thought. Right. I wrapped the sock around it to start off with a bit. But anyway, do it.
How is
Shove it in.
I might try and see if I move the lid and put it on top like that, so it wedges it more.
Yeah.
Do you think that would work? Like that?
Try it.
Oh my god.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Oh, it's too hard to get the air in.
Is it really pressure? Yeah, I can't hear any air. I watched an amazing documentary. Very sad though.
On what?
On Netflix about the Titan implosion.
Oh, really?
You know that submarine that went down to the Titanic?
Oh, yeah.
And it imploded, didn't it? And the man behind it was, well, he sort of allowed it to happen, but it was nuts. It's so hard now, but it's...
Can we swap? I think that might
Yeah.
ping off though. You kind of got to hold the thing on at the same time.
Days, it's so stiff now. Is it going anywhere?
It's getting there. I'll swap if you want.
I don't know.
You hold this first. You hold this first, and then you're not letting any air out. It's doing it. Even if we get it to 2. Can we swap? I might call it a day.
Yeah, should we just leave it at that?
Yeah.
That feels so good, to be
Yeah.
fair.
It's not nearly, it's got to be like concrete. It's weird. Okay, thing to go on the bottom.
Oh, I'm still recording, I didn't even know. I forgot. Me mum's going up paddleboarding. Yeah, she gets the first go. I said she could have the first go. She's gonna do great. She says I don't know if I can, how good I'm gonna be on. Well, I reckon she'll do fine. Oh! Just asked my mum what these little holes were.
There's cracks.
I don't know if I've ever seen these. Yeah, maybe.
Have you seen them? Me and Giles used to watch them in India with it. They were the crabs that come up out the holes and
Okay. Oh, what? Yeah, we're just wandering into town because we messed up, didn't we? we don't have a piece for the pump, so we've got to go in. But it's a good excuse to go and explore Newport with my tootsies out. Oh, this bit. Oh, what does that warning sign say? I love warning signs. No lifeguard.
Oh, try again.
No lifeguard patrols in this area of the beach. Always bathe between the yellow flags. Oh, I was not doing that. Definitely was not doing that. Look at this den. Whoa, a driftwood den. Wow.
Like, wow.
Love it. Pretty beach. Oh damn, I'm not even necessarily a big fan of modern homes, but that would be a nice place to live. These rocks are so cool. I love the way this is like tucked at the end. Almost doesn't even look like it's here. Does this hide? Can you still come down this bit when the tide's up? No, but I mean when it's back in, are you able to cross it? Oh. I love being barefoot. I just love it. Connecting with mama. I love that you can come even further. What? Even further. I would never have guessed. Oh, I bet these people who live here get so annoyed with people walking past. I'm actually going to put my camera away because, yeah, don't want to annoy anyone. Why does this satisfy my brain so much? Just found a random tennis court in the middle of some fields and it's like so well kept and all. But there's something about that I just love so much. A bit of fresh, usable equipment in the middle of some nature. So pretty. I don't want to film people's houses too much, but it is just... This is bloody beautiful. Wow. Look at that stone. If I had to guess, that would be some like really nice original Welsh stone. What do you reckon, Mum? Do you reckon that's some original Welsh stone?
Yeah.
I love how the pavement is basically a bike lane. Love that. Island life. So cool. I can't zoom in, what the fuck? So cool. Castle. Small diddy pavement. We have got a new paddleboard. I mean, not a new paddleboard, a new paddleboard. That was a brain fart. Ooh. Yeah, new paddleboard. Not paddleboard. That guy looks at me like, what the?
Girls, grab your candy!
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That's just so funny that I said that and then there's some... Is that why you giggled?
No, I forgot there was a golf course there.
I sort of joked earlier about there being this looking like a golf course track. No, it actually is. It actually is golf course. I mean, golf carts. But look at all that bracken. Ooh la la. Just left all our stuff for over an hour.
Yeah.
And it's all still here.
Look. That.
Pops out and then you put it in. Oh, I wish I'd just tried a little bit
Yeah,
more.
but I can't get it out.
The sand's freaking hot. Why is food that someone else makes us so much better? I don't get it. Do you get that?
Oh, I know. Mind you, I made this and it's damn good.
I want to see how far this ball goes. Oh. Every freaking time I find litter, I make an internal sound in my brain of the Marge Simpson. So I can't do a good impression of it. No, I'm so bad. What?
first went to the beach in the second lockdown and it was quite cold and blustery because it was like just before Christmas. Then next time I came here, I couldn't believe it was the same beach because it was just like beautiful golden sands with turquoise sea. But it just depends what the sky's doing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the sky's got to like
It changes.
open up for it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But that was so good. We're on our way home now. That was so nice. Paddleboarded for the second time in my life.
The beginning of many.
That's crazy to actually think.
Just, yeah, even trickier because of the currents and the wave. But that was so good. I'm so sleepy now.
I feel really tired.
Just about got that. Thanks. This guy just freaking locked in so hard. He's actually I've got to be really careful what I show of this because it's a school website. But shall I film you doing it or shall I not? Do you reckon?
I don't know. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. There we go.
Holy.
There you go.
2.1 seconds that time. The one that he did a minute ago, that was 1.6. That was wild. Oh, he's going in for it again.
Oh my god, why did I put that?
It's okay. See, he's so quick. The keyboard can't even like register it.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Okay, 8 oh. Okay, so if 2 8s are 16 already.
I love the logic.
32.
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's just showing me his maths.
Dad,
These are hard. These are pretty hard to be fair. You literally put that on max, didn't you?
yeah. That might be just 18 to me. Oh, okay.
Was that your throat? Was that your... Sorry, I don't want to distract you. Keep going.
What was that?
That was my stomach. I thought I heard your throat go, wheeze. You could do 5 times 10 and then 5 times 2.
No, that 11 times 5, 55.
Wow.
2 times 6 is 12.
It.
You were so close to the end. You didn't want to finish it?
Nope, not recommended.
Not recommended.
I'm not recommended of doing that.
Wow, man, there's nothing I can do. Oh, no, not true. I can tell you what to do.
Culture.
You're stage dives. I'm gonna let a record deal here, man.
Make a mistake. I gotta be perfect. And that pressure has turned me into one thing that I never wanted to be.
Hello. So yeah, we got back from the beach. And yeah, we had food and just sort of chilled out and watched, the School of Rock. Which was really nice. It's so, like, cool getting to watch movies that I watched as a kid with my little boy. It's really cool getting to do that. And knowing that, like, yeah, he can enjoy those, like, childhood classics of mine with me whilst he's still a kid. I love him so much. I got burnt today. Oh, you can't actually see it that bad on that much. it really doesn't look that bad on camera, which makes me feel better actually, because it also doesn't hurt that bad. Like 3 or 4 pumps and it still wasn't enough, but the rest of my body is totally fine. Why am I going to prove it? Don't need to prove it. What am I doing? But the rest of my body is totally fine. I'm all good. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I wanted to film a little bit more with Sky, but sometimes when I go to do it, I'm a bit like, did that what? Right now doesn't just it. Okay, so right now doesn't seem like a good time, and so I don't film as much as I sort of sometimes imagine that I will, because as much as I really want to do this, and he also really wants to do it, not vlogging necessarily, but like he really loves posting stuff on YouTube under heavy supervision. I'm okay with that because he really loves it and enjoys it, and he's on a safe kids account, so yeah. Bam's chasing a fly around the room. Can't you hear it? Buzz. So yeah, that's why I haven't filmed with him as much, if you're curious why. But yeah. And I also just sometimes worry that he says that he's okay with being filmed, because I kind of sense that he's maybe people pleasing and just making me happy, and just like, you know, sometimes doesn't feel like he can say no. So I sort of like just try and stay in touch with my intuition to be like, this doesn't feel right. Yeah, because I've seen what it can do to people. As beautiful as it is, I've seen what it can do to people and families, because I used to watch a lot of family vloggers when I was growing up, and pretty much all but one are like, you know, it got messy. But anyways, thank you for watching. Anyways, thanks for watching. I had such a good day with my mum. I love how like strong my connection is with my mum. I love it to bits, to bits, to bits, to bits. But it's time to go home tomorrow, so there's that. But yeah, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Thanks for watching. But yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you are. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Outtakes. If I move the lid. Lol. That was such a funny attempt at me trying to get a shot of how small that pavement is. Little lane.
I first went to the beach and
Just about got that.